Is Valorant preventing you from exiting the game? Here's how to fix it. Firstly, ensure that no Riot Games products are running. To do so, just open Task Manager, look for any Riot-related processes that are running. It might be other than the Valorant game. Right-click on them one by one, then click End Task. Now after doing that, if you notice any other processes related to other Riot Games products on your PC, end the task as well. Then the next fix is to try signing out of the Riot Client. You just have to go to the installation folder of the Riot Client, go to the UX folder in the installation location, open Riot Client UX, click the profile picture, then select Sign Out. Then, close the Riot Client application. Lastly, delete the cached data and logs of Valorant and Riot Client. Do it by opening Run, type in the following, press Enter, open Riot Games folder, then delete the Riot Client and Valorant-related folders from here. So that's how you can fix this error in your Valorant game in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.